Hello, I'm Brian Luck. Today we're doing a chemical demonstration on energy as it applies to heat versus temperature, and with the application of calorimetry, heat, thermochemistry, and thermodynamics. First, I want to describe the theory a little bit. Heat is a form of energy. Temperature is a quantity proportional to molecular kinetic energy of a system, the coolness or warmness of that system. Now, the heat content of a system can be determined through the use of this equation, which we have right here. Q equals M times C times delta T. Q is the heat content. M is the mass of the system. C is the specific heat of the system, which for water is 4.18 joules per gram times degrees Celsius. And delta T is the temperature change of the system. Alright, so we're going to figure out how much heat has been gained. Alright, so as you see here, I have a large beaker. Now, let's see what the temperature is right now. I'm going to put this thermometer in there. As you can see, it is 25 degrees Celsius. So, I'm going to write that on the board. 25.0 degrees Celsius. Now, I want to determine the mass of this. Looking at this scale here, we get about 27.98 grams. So that is the mass of the water. 27.98 grams. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise the temperature by 20 degrees. So I'm going to put this beaker here on my hot plate. Now, so I'm going to put my thermometer in here, and I'm going to let it heat up to 45 degrees Celsius. So I know what my change in temperature is going to be. I know that I'm going to raise the temperature from 25 to 45, which will be a delta T of 20 degrees. Now, so let me move this over here so that you can see what I'm writing on the board. Okay, you see here, I'm going to determine the heat content. I'm going to write down Q equals, Q is what I don't know. I know M, I know C, and I know delta T, but I don't know Q. I don't know the heat content. So I'm going to determine that. So the mass of that system is 27.98 grams. Now, the C, which is always the same for water, will be 4.18 joules per gram times degrees Celsius. And the change in temperature will be 20 degrees because our final temperature will be 45 minus our initial temperature 25 to get a change in temperature of 20 degrees. 20 degrees Celsius. All right. Now, so the value of Q will be 2.08 times 10 to the third. Now, what are our units? Well, we cancel our grams, cancel our degrees Celsius, And we have joules. All right. So our answer is 2.08 times 10 to the third joules. So this is the heat contained by the water due to the change in temperature using this equation. All right. So this is the amount of heat the water has gained. And that is our demonstration. And our thermometer is at 45. So we are finished. And thank you for listening. Have a nice day.